Well, got our first hookup this morning. Oh, look at that bend. Wacky rig. There we go. Nice little chunky smallie to start out with. Nice. Well, it's 39 degrees this morning. Cold ride up the river. Figured I'd start out with a little wacky. And we're on the board quick. I like it. There. Drop. Boom, boom. Give it a nice flash. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. I gotta get the net out for this guy. What we got here? He's pulling the boat. Ah, yeah. I'm just a good fighter. Yeah. Well, that's a nice smallie. There we go, guys. Alright, guys. Starting to heat up with the smallies. Ah, it's a nice feeling. Let's get on the water release on this guy. Team 1, Puddle Walkers Outdoors, Fish Smack, Joe Nader, myself, Larry's Fishing. Team 2 is Reece Life Dad Life, RWA Fishing, Angling Spiders, Crankin' Yankin', and of course Beard Zero. Here are the categories. There are 9 the 2 teams will be competing in. Got you right in the cheek. Alright. There's another one. Nice healthy bass. Let's get on the water release on him. Oh, he's got a leech on him here. There we go, boys. Oh, yeah. All right. And a bunch of little chunkers today. Little chunkers. The black on there. Beautiful. I'll get the net for this guy. Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah. Get in there, big girl. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now what do we got? 18 and a quarter. That's not the big one for cash class, 18 and a quarter, but oh, that's a beauty. Alright, guys. There we go. 18 1/4 inch smallmouth. The cast clash tournament that I'm in, I believe, is the 19 that I know of is leading. But yeah, it's a nice one. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. All right, buddy. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that fatty. Nice little fatty. Huh? All right. There we go. Yeah, another little chunker. Ooh. Ooh. And back to back right there. Man, was he feisty. Goodness. Little guy. Always nice to get a back to back. Let's go for the three-peat. Oh, that's another netter there. Oh man, might be bigger than the other one. Look at that, guys. Well, he's 18 and a half. Oh yeah, 18 and a half, guys. Alright guys, here's the second nice one. 18 and a half. Beat the other one by a 1/4 inch. Beauty. So this contest is more of a numbers game than it is a size game. The size of the fish only matters if there's a tie in the numbers. So you want a good day with big numbers of fish caught. Oh, it's like the third one I lost. Song gone. Oh, there's another one foul. Oh my God, there's like 4 or 5 other smallies with them. Oh. Man, another decent one. Look at that chunker. Huh? 15 and a half. Another nice one, guys. Oh. Yeah, go ahead. I'll let you do the honors. Look at that bad boy. Oh, what a day, huh? That's number 12. Another gorgeous smallie. 17 and a half, just under 18 of the other two. There's another nice one, the third real nice one of the day. This one's 17 and a half. right under the other two that were 18 and a quarter, 18 and a half. Darn it. Oh, largemouth, first largie of the day. Number 14. Back to back, but I don't think the last one recorded. A little smallmouth. First largemouth of the day.